Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. USA English, the channel that helps you speak English confidently and naturally.
Hi, guys! We're so glad you're here. Today's episode is something special. It's called IELTS divided by TOEFL Vocabulary Booster, words that really make a difference.
Whether you're preparing for IELTS, TOEFL, or just want to sound more fluent, this series will transform your vocabulary.
Absolutely. We'll teach you powerful, high-scoring words, but in a fun, story-based way. No boring lists, no memorization pain.
Exactly. We're going to feel the words, not just learn them. Let's jump right in.
Resilient means being strong and able to recover from difficulties quickly.
Like a rubber ball, you fall, but you bounce back.
Example: after failing her first IELTS attempt, she stayed resilient and scored 8 the next time.
Love it. Real English learners are resilient. You might fall, but you get up again.
So true. Repeat after us. I am resilient.
Say it with confidence.
Meticulous means paying close attention to every small detail.
A meticulous person checks every comma in their essay before submitting it.
Example: he's a meticulous student who reviews every IELTS answer twice.
That's the kind of focus that brings results.
Meticulous people don't rush, they master.
Eloquent means being able to express yourself clearly and beautifully.
When you speak eloquently, people listen.
Example: her speech was so eloquent that the audience gave her a standing ovation.
It's not just about vocabulary, it's about emotional clarity.
Exactly. IELTS examiners love eloquent candidates.
One of my favorites. Perseverance means never giving up, even when it's hard.
Like climbing a mountain step by step.
Example: learning English takes perseverance. You have to keep going every day.
That's what separates dreamers from achievers.
So, listeners, do you have perseverance? Say it. Yes, I do.
Versatile means being flexible and able to do many things well.
Like a Swiss Army knife, useful in many situations.
Example: English is a versatile language used in business, travel, and entertainment.
And a versatile speaker can adapt to any conversation, formal or casual.
Versatility is power.
To be articulate means to express your thoughts clearly and effectively.
It's like building a bridge between your ideas and the listener's understanding.
Example: he was nervous in his IELTS interview, but he stayed calm and articulate.
Being articulate shows control, and control builds confidence.
Shadow this sentence. I can be articulate when I believe in my message.
A word every learner should love: ambitious.
It means having strong goals and determination to succeed.
Example: she's an ambitious student aiming for a band 9 inches IELTS.
Ambition fuels action.
If you're watching this, you're already ambitious because you're improving yourself.
Let's practice these 7 words in a short dialogue.
I'll start. Hey Emma, you seem busy.
Yes, I'm preparing for my IELTS exam. I'm being meticulous with my essays.
Wow, that's impressive. You're so resilient after last time.
Thanks. I'm staying ambitious. I want to sound more eloquent in my speaking test.
You're also very articulate. Your ideas flow naturally.
Aw, thank you. I'm trying to be versatile too, using both formal and creative examples.
That's perseverance right there.
Exactly. I'll get that 8.5 no matter what.
Let's review the 7 words you just learned.
Resilient, meticulous, eloquent, perseverance, versatile, articulate, ambitious.
These aren't just words, they're attitudes.
Use them in your essays, your interviews, and your thoughts.
Because fluent English starts from confident thinking.
That wraps up part 1 of our IELTS divided by TOEFL Vocabulary Booster series.
In part 2, we'll teach you 7 more powerful words and how to use them naturally in emotional and real-world situations.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. USA English so you don't miss it.
And remember, your voice matters.
Keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in your English journey. See you in part 2.
Welcome back to Mr. USA English. This is part 2 of our series IELTS divided by TOEFL Vocabulary Booster, words that really make a difference.
Hey guys, if you loved part 1, you're going to enjoy this one even more. Today, we'll learn 7 new advanced words, and we'll practice using them in real-life conversations.
That's right. No boring memorization. We'll use feelings, stories, and examples the best way to remember new vocabulary.
Let's dive right in. Proficient means being good or skilled at something.
Like saying, I'm proficient in English, meaning you can communicate clearly and naturally.
Example: he's proficient in writing essays and analyzing complex topics.
When you say you're proficient, it sounds more confident than just, I'm good.
Exactly. It's a great word for your IELTS or TOEFL speaking test.
Innovative means creative, original, or introducing new ideas.
You could describe a person, company, or idea as innovative.
Example, her innovative approach to studying helped her learn faster.
Love that. Innovation means doing things differently and smarter.
And examiners love students who use innovative examples. It shows advanced thinking.
Comprehensive means complete, including all or nearly all details.
For example, she gave a comprehensive answer that covered every part of the question.
That's a perfect IELTS word. It shows deep understanding.
Comprehensive preparation gives you confidence.
Exactly. Don't study randomly. Make your learning comprehensive.
Coherent means logical and easy to understand.
Example: your essay is coherent. Your ideas connect perfectly.
When you're coherent, your speaking and writing flow naturally.
This is one of the most important words for IELTS writing task 2.
Coherence equals clarity plus connection.
Beautifully said.
Pragmatic means practical focusing on what works instead of what's ideal.
Example: she took a pragmatic approach to studying less theory, more practice.
Pragmatic people don't waste time. They act.
Exactly. This word shows maturity in your thinking. Use it in your IELTS speaking test.
Like, I try to be pragmatic when solving problems.
Conspicuous means easily noticeable, something that stands out.
Example, his red jacket was conspicuous in the crowd.
It can describe objects or behavior. She didn't want to look too conspicuous in the exam hall.
Love that. It's elegant, descriptive, and shows advanced vocabulary use.
Conspicuous. Say it slowly with us. Conspicuous.
Integral means essential, necessary, or an important part of something.
Example: vocabulary is an integral part of language learning.
You can also say, technology is integral to modern education.
It's a classy alternative to important.
Integral sounds confident and academic, perfect for IELTS and TOEFL.
Let's practice these 7 new words in a short, real conversation.
Hey, Emma, you seem really focused lately.
Yes, I'm creating a comprehensive study plan for my IELTS.
That's great. You've always been proficient at organizing your time.
Thanks. I'm trying to take a more pragmatic approach, study less, but smarter.
Nice. I heard your new method is pretty innovative.
It is. I mix shadowing, journaling, and mini debates. It keeps me motivated.
Sounds coherent and well-balanced.
Exactly. Vocabulary is an integral part of my plan.
You're doing amazing. You'll stand out, but not in a conspicuous way.
Haha, I hope so.
Let's review what we learned today.
Proficient, innovative, comprehensive, coherent, pragmatic, conspicuous, integral.
All strong, academic, and natural words for IELTS and TOEFL.
Practice them in your essays and speaking. Use them with emotion and context.
And remember, knowing words isn't enough. You have to live them.
That's all for part 2 of IELTS divided by TOEFL Vocabulary Booster, words that really make a difference.
In part 3, we'll reveal the final 6 vocabulary words, plus a role-play challenge and emotional message for learners.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. USA English.
Keep growing, keep speaking, and keep believing in your voice.
See you in part 3 and bring your English energy.
Welcome back, everyone, to Mr. USA English. You're now listening to part 3, the final chapter of IELTS divided by TOEFL Vocabulary Booster, words that really make a difference.
Hey, learners! You've made it this far, and that means you're serious about mastering vocabulary.
Absolutely! Today, we'll explore the final 6 advanced words, the kind that really impress IELTS and TOEFL examiners.
And after that, we'll have a motivational wrap-up, something that'll inspire you to keep pushing toward fluency.
Let's jump right in.
Meticulous means showing great attention to detail, being very careful and precise.
Example, she's meticulous about grammar and spelling.
Another, he prepared his essay with meticulous care.
It's a great word for describing people who double-check everything.
In IELTS, you can say, I'm meticulous when I plan my ideas before writing. It sounds confident and professional.
Resilient means able to recover quickly from difficulties, strong, and adaptable.
Example, after failing once, she stayed resilient and tried again.
Examiners love this word. It shows emotional strength and positivity.
Exactly. You can say, I believe resilience is the key to success in language learning.
That's gold for speaking or writing tasks.
Substantial means large, in amount, value, or importance.
Example, he made a substantial improvement in his speaking fluency.
You can also say, the book provided substantial information for my research.
Instead of a lot, say substantial. It instantly boosts your academic tone.
Yes, a small change, a big difference.
Ambiguous means unclear or having more than one meaning.
Example, the teacher's instructions were ambiguous. No one understood what to do.
Or, the sentence was ambiguous because of the word order.
It's perfect for writing and analysis questions in TOEFL.
Saying ambiguous shows critical thinking that you can spot unclear meaning.
Eloquent means fluent, expressive, and persuasive in speaking or writing.
Example, she gave an eloquent speech about education.
Another, he's an eloquent speaker. His words inspire people.
Using this word shows emotional intelligence.
And if you use it naturally in your IELTS speaking, the examiner will love your confidence.
Versatile means able to adapt to many situations or do many different things.
Example: English is a versatile language. It's used for business, travel, and art.
Or, she's a versatile student who can write, debate, and present.
It's a perfect way to describe flexibility and open-mindedness.
And it's a word you'll hear often in professional English.
Let's review and practice all 6 new words in one short dialogue.
Hey, Emma, your notes are always so neat. You're really meticulous.
Thanks, Oliver. I try. You're resilient. You never give up on your students.
Haha. I guess so. I noticed you made substantial progress with pronunciation.
I hope so. I just want to make sure nothing sounds ambiguous when I speak.
Not at all. You're eloquent and clear.
Aw, thank you. You're pretty versatile yourself. You can teach, motivate, and make people smile.
That's teamwork. Let's summarize all 20 powerful words from this series. Meticulous, resilient, substantial, ambiguous, eloquent, versatile. And from parts 1 and 2, proficient, innovative, comprehensive, coherent, pragmatic, conspicuous, integral, and more.
That's an incredible collection. Imagine using just 5 of them in your next IELTS or TOEFL response. Your band score will thank you.
But remember, vocabulary isn't about showing off.
It's about expressing yourself clearly, emotionally, and meaningfully.
Exactly. Every word is a tool, not a trophy.
Learning English is a journey. Sometimes it's slow, sometimes it's confusing, but every single step counts.
You're already doing something most people never do, improving yourself daily.
So don't doubt your progress. Be resilient, be meticulous, and stay eloquent in your efforts.
And always remember, your words have power to inspire, to connect, to change your world.
Beautifully said, Oliver.
That's it for our IELTS divided by TOEFL Vocabulary Booster Words That Really Make a Difference series.
If you enjoyed learning with us, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Mr. USA English.
Every like helps us reach more learners just like you.
Keep practicing, keep believing, and keep shining with your English.
You've got this one powerful word at a time.
See you next time, only on Mr. USA English.